Our roof forming machines are popular in many countries. Steelmama is an influential roll forming machine supplier in China. Polished surface and heat treatment for molds can keep the molding plate surface smooth and not easy to be marked when stamping. The frame panel thickness is 20 mm, which is more stable. It adopts hydraulic drive to automatically position, determine the size, and cut the target product. Ensure that the overlapping accuracy of the finished product is controlled within 1 mm. Customize various sizes according to your needs. Commitment: delivery within 45 days, 18-month warranty. Steelmama always give you proper solution.